For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Mdlalo Betway Premiership at FNB Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns closing the gap between Bona and Orlando Pirates. Before it kick off at 7:30, it was 6 points. But now at exactly 9:30, the gap is 3 points. With Mamelodi Sundowns having that game in hand, for them to close that gap, even with 0 points. Now it's 3 points, junior gap, with Sundowns having a game in hand. They're playing their next game against Mazulu next week on Tuesday in Durban. But namhlanje umdlalo sawuthatha ngawo junior nglo weBetway Premiership FNB Stadium where Sundowns won by 2-1. Madubulisa mfethu kunjani?
Shane my brother kunjani?
I'm okay, man. Okay, man.
Ngibulisa man. Ngibulisa wena ngibulisele out to Evergreen. Hlala smart kakhulu. Justice. Ngibulisa ububu, ngibulise ngikhululeke my brother.
Yeah.
Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one try to figure South African football.
Absolutely.
Yeah, mfethu besibukele two of the biggest teams in South Africa. Not based on ezinye izinto resources or what, but based on football. I think it was honestly Shane. Le game le mfethu le game le everybody was excited ukuthi ayibukele because they know both teams. They play with a ball play. These are two ball playing team. Coming to the game, I think Orlando Pirates approach the game totally different. Pirates bapeke midfield, which is Apollo playing on the right hand side, Batungene Parati, joining with Tito there. Also Relebukhelem Fuking joining there. Now Babafunu exposed at the side like left. Oto. Yes, I think Pirates wins the logo. If not mistaken, Pirates Fumbutuma caught the chance with the ahead of the free header. I mean, Matthews lost the ball. Very dangerous area. Yeah. And then Mdiba was out of position. There's nothing that the defense could do, or a midfielder, a police pinpoint pass. Free header, just finish, Mbutuma. La goalkeeper suka khona libuseli lapho sebenzisa proper technique ayila phezulu sebenzisa I foreheader libheke le ball and then finish done and then the complexion of the game ya change. I think it had isikhathi Mamelodi Sundowns to come to the game. Tactical how they approach the game, I think they were lost. Nuno was joining this front three, which is Umrena, Leon, Matthews. Now Baba in the midfield, I think Utolguti Baba strong points Sundowns is in the midfield. Peli Sundowns when they keep the ball, bafuna the space up behind you. They suck you bafuna the space. Now Nuno bega Baba legelo, which is Umkwena, Jaden Adams. So compliment to Jaden Adams umfana simshayela izandla. Uphinde understand why Marcelo Allende is starting on the bench because what he brought the dimension later with Sundowns, he plays forward passes. The NH uphinde improve on the NH ngihlale ngisho akusi talent is something psychological you tell yourself ukuthi umsebenzi wami. The boy now ubalancile lo nto playing sort of a box dangerous player for Sundowns. Lo muntu loya lama window we breaker will ama Lions we Orlando Pirates they after 25 minutes I think got also got a chance. Though I'm not convinced how. I don't think it was not convincing how we kicked that ball at deflection. Whereby Ronaldo Zimbenge nyawo. I think the ball nalo obviously ngizolibala my chances with Pirates. But from there, I think they waited for Orlando Pirates. They respected they waited for Sundowns. They respect Sundowns. You can't play a plan when you play with a plan. Pirates pound to pound with players. If the coach was smart enough, you play according to your strength. The Pirates, each and every game, how they approach game, we know Badalangama department. They're not playing breaks, counter attacks. In today, waited, and then Afunugutaba Pirates mistake. Okay, Mshambe, when you win that way, you will think you're doing the right things. And going forward, in Klalingisho, they will bazubamba. Because Sundowns, after 25 minutes, they gain confidence. I think Kiba overloaded the side, the opposite side. Sundowns Pirates overloaded the side like a left. Now, what they did when the Sundowns overloaded the side, Mdiba was there. Matthews coming in. Mdiba dangerous player does the ball. Leo Mdiba one of the best talent. It's not the left wing back, versatile. He can play in the midfield. He allows the ball. Decision making. Shama take up higher. Ball allows. Pegele Pola. I think reverse pass from Nuno change direction. Paris welling up by Yonke. Lengwenya Leon. Hlalingisho. Lengwenya Zama South American challenge. You can't have a target man. You need a striker who's so dynamic and mobile, who can make runs. Lama short runs. The two steps different. Urane wapendi rane yake, far post, good first touch. First touch, yenzele cool. The first touch, something else, technique, far post goal. Now complexion game may change. Sundowns dominated. Each and every game, Uncle Lukshaila Michael Carlos Zandla. I mean, in this game, it dominated Orlando Pirates, if I can be honest. Pirates have been a moment true. But Pirates, a mistake anybody in the midfield. Maketleni never played. This guy Nomtechela never played. Pirates strong points up. You know, once these guys they own song in the midfield. Now really Guba is good enough. But that space. But now if you're gonna relay Paul Sugel champion midfield going there, Sundowns be ready. They are very composed at the back. Ndamane and Grant Kakana, I think they did very well for me. Tell compliment among back. Nyambono Grant in Ale Undamane. Tell compliment this guy. Mdao keeping Urle very quiet. Cause Urle drop apart. And then I share the space forward. Then when you leave Mdao. And really is very dangerous player. One of the best talents South Africa approaches it. But Medan Kumivar, the best right back as well, South Africa. I think what we have currently, Kuma right backs, falls. And Mdiba is the best left wing back. I will say that. Pirates may funa usibelebele on the other side. I don't think on the right hand side there was something happening at Orlando Pirates. Because Opolis ungena phakathi. Now, yonke shift yabo really bafuna the side like left.
Usibelebele starting at right back namhlanje Junior. What do you think Coach Wade was trying to do? Uqala ngosibelebele at right back, because Dino van Rijn has been playing the last couple of days starting games. Now Usibelebele came from the bench, started the game against Sundowns. What do you think Coach Wade was trying to achieve?
Coaches the player, you need a match fitness. You're playing a high profile game. I think the difference, it was the quality of players at Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. Yes, Pirates in a quality, but we talk about the quality that can play high profile games. Players that can perform in such games. They break it or make it. We're not talking about the games. It was matters. We're playing against the Champions Cup team. I mean, Champions League team playing. A team that dominated Betway Premiership several times. Experienced team. Each and every year they play this Champions League, the experience with it. Composure. I mean, big goal number 2, how they suck on the party. But Pume tight situation in Conin. But break, they put it, but the ball, they wait for but roll on the Pirates on the right hand side, the right wing back, and then might Pirates might roll about Pushega, also by join Aboma Ketlini, and also Abomam Chechera, but finally space up here, and no fast, and then Mdiba. Pinpoint, but in Plemusia, madam. First pole. I mean, go to the ball first. Just attack his people again. So that the Lepola is the one. Sometimes we rate players on the ball. The priority of CMI is to play. It's to defend, not to play. In today's game was tested. I think by losing Umbogas Orlando Pirates and Sazuk Shin, it's different to Sundowns and Pirates this year. Because of losing that boy in Bogas. You needed that boy in fit. I understand the boy is a career. There's nothing the boy can do. We're happy for the boy. If the boy is doing well, South Africa is benefiting. But to lose, you can't change that boy with space. Because Mangi Pega, that's what they did. Give him an belt, which Mfana. So Sundowns dominated the game. And Pirates, we are shy party. Butuma supposed to be composed and finish. Also, Sundowns is shy party in Tlogo, Ndamane. In fact, Sundowns dominated this game, I will be honest to you. Yes, but the Pirates, not to say the outclass on the Pirates, they had a moment. You understand? It's just that some players, they were off. Number one, Apolis was off. I will say to you, Mutuma was off. Relebekhelem Fukeng off as well. When a moment, Nomtechela off at all. You understand? Lomfano Spelebele, Bafuna be wing back. Bamchale is more dangerous. When he's going forward, scoring or Kudala Lama assist. Umbona Konguti on song, but it was off as well. Also, these two centre back, I don't think was the link between USB, this calcium. So, well done to Sundowns, experienced team, quality players. Coach Footnines Mshali Zandla, 2 games now. The game last week, Mshali Zandla. As coming identity. I mean, also managing the game, Amasapo, coming Pringo Alende. When you bring at the end the philosophy, you see not much. The best way to defend is to keep the ball, especially with my error right. Sometimes what they did, also bring Umshishi. Though I feel Umshishi, I think he came tempo be high. yabo the more you get older uyabona ukuthi mara bebamfunela ukumanage igame yambona he hardly lose the ball, he create a foul for you into bekasifuna coach. So Orlando Pirates Mreme, when he came, he never gave much. That's why it's certain players, in order for the team to function, you can't rely on individual brilliance in each and every game. Sometimes you need a team effort. So in today's game, I'm with the Sundowns the quality and sheen and experience. These guys, they're playing well done to Tite. I think the coach was a mistake by taking him out. It's a big mistake for me. In today's game, it's just that he needed the surrounding people that will assist and support him. It's a pity Umbata was not here. I think was gonna play a huge role for Orlando Pirates. You needed energy in the middle at Orlando Pirates. A bit nervousness with this guy in today's game. Nuno, in today's game. Nuno, Leon. Jaden Adams mkhwena as well ya no ndawo Sundowns mfethu njengoba ngisho shini hlale ngisho leli game mina ngisazosho bazoyiwina mfethu, I'm saying it again.
Junior, thank you so much for your analysis. That's Junior giving us his perspective in Gumdlalo wanamhlanje FNB Stadium, where Orlando Pirates just lost to Mamelodi Sundowns. Gumdlalo Betway Premiership. Sundowns now have decreased La Lead Orlando Pirates from 6 points to 3 points. Albeit with that game in hand, abazadlala again next Tuesday against Amazulu. Namhlanje FNB Stadium, it's Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hello bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.